Since Sarah and I have been in Thailand, we've used all of the major driving apps available here. Today we'll show you the differences and how to use them. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. Here in Phuket, I have 3 driving apps on my phone. The first one is Grab. We have actually never used Grab because when we compare prices, they are almost always the highest in our experience. We do use Grab's app for ordering food, although that's a comparison of food delivery apps, which we'll cover in a different video. The second is Bolt. We've used Bolt about 10 to 20% of the time. Sometimes they're least expensive, but not usually. Also, during really busy times, you might have to switch between the 3 apps to find one that has available drivers. Bolt will find your current location using your phone, so be sure you are close to where you want to be picked up. They provide a map with your current position, so you can double check. Click on the Where To box, and you can just type in where it is you're going, and it gives you options of places you have used Bolt to get to before. Once you select your destination, it will come up with your options. In this case, I put in the Phuket Immigration Office. A regular Bolt car would be 217 baht. The taxi option will give you a range they would charge. An extra large, probably an SUV, would be 317 baht, and a van that could hold 6 passengers or more is quoted at 386 baht. Also notice that the economy option is grayed out. This means that there are none of those drivers in your area, or all of them are occupied. We have been in situations where all of the options are grayed out, meaning they don't have any drivers available. In this case, just back out and keep trying until one pops up, or try one of the other apps. Your third option is the app we use the most here in Phuket, and that is InDriver. There are a few options on this app we really like, above and beyond that they're usually the least expensive. Upon opening, you will see your pin on the map. What we like about this app is you can click on the map and then zoom in to place your pin exactly where you want to be picked up. We've chosen a spot a few minutes away and then sent the request so it can be bringing up options as we walk. You can also click on the From Destination box and type in a location, or they have this Choose on Map option, which will let you do the same thing as clicking on the map on the first screen. Here you can also choose the type of ride you need, a car, van, or even a motorcycle. Next, click on the To box and you can type in your destination or choose the destination from previous rides. I also like they have this Choose on Map option so you can drop a destination pin anywhere you want. I especially like this if you want to be dropped off at a certain point, like a large mall. After dropping your pin, just click the Done button at the bottom. Then it will bring up a screen showing the route, drivers in your area, the distance to your destination, and a recommendation on how much to offer as your fare. When we first arrived in Phuket, we would offer a little less than it was suggested and get a ride almost every time. But that was during low season and the island had not recovered from COVID all the way, so there was an abundance of drivers. Now we are usually bumping it up a bit. If it shows 232, we will bump it up to 240. That can be adjusted by clicking on this box and it will allow you to adjust your offer. When you're ready, click the Find a Driver button and you will see your phone sending out a signal on the map. Once drivers start responding, it will change to this screen where it will show the driver and how much they want for the ride. Sometimes it will be exactly what you offered, and other times it could be slightly, or in some cases considerably, higher. You only have about 20 seconds to accept the request. Don't just jump on the first one that comes up. Quickly check to see the cost and how far away they are. We have had ones up to 20 minutes away make an offer. Sometimes you may get 1 or 2 offers, but if there are more drivers available, you can get multiple offers. Glance over them and accept the one that is in your price range and not too far away. Also, each driver has an accept or decline button on their offer. Don't worry about clicking the decline button if you don't want to accept it. It will just time out and disappear if you don't. If all of them are too high and time out, it will go back to the first screen. You can wait for another driver to make an offer, or you can bump up your offer by 10 baht at a time. Once you've accepted an offer, it will show you how far away they are and show their location on your map. It will also give you their car color, model, and their license plate number so you can find your driver when they arrive. When they are close, it will send you a reminder. Once there, hop in, verify where you're headed, and enjoy the ride. So how about payment? They have a way to link a credit card, but we have cards based in the US, and I know we and others have had trouble getting them to link and be verified. I think it has to do with an OTP or a one-time password, which US credit cards don't offer. We just choose the cash option and pay when we arrive at our destination. We try to keep some smaller bills on us because the drivers don't always have a lot of change. When it comes to tipping, it is completely up to you. If we bid $215 and were accepted, we would probably just give them $220. If we got a good deal and traffic is bad, we usually bump it up just for their trouble and time. If they're charging higher than the usual prices due to heavy volume, we don't usually tip at all. We have yet to have a driver give us any grief for not tipping. After you arrive, it will give you an option to rate your driver, just like most other driving apps. Well, hope this helps you navigate the driving apps here in Phuket. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon to see our upcoming videos about our life in Thailand. Thanks for watching.